come around, would you let me know right then? Or would you hang out with your friends? Or would you see me? Would you make it a point to see me? Even though you have been gone, but it hasn't been that long. 'Cause all the unspoken words, they seem quiet, but baby, I'm comfortable with all the silence. And I'd be lying if I said I didn't like it, and it'd be way too hard for me to try to fight it. So if I call you right now, would you already be better now? If I call you at midnight, would you pick up right away, or just leave it for another day? Yeah.